Welcome to the Living Wisdom YouTube channel. I'm so glad you're able to come today. And today we're going to speak about the 25 qualities of pure consciousness. Pure consciousness is a state of awareness which is the most fundamental level of awareness that we can experience. It's the very basis of life itself. Pure consciousness has been described as the most unified level of awareness. It's the level of awareness which underlies all expressions of thought and all expressions of diversity in the entire universe. These 25 qualities of pure consciousness have been elaborated by His Holiness Maharishi Mahesh Yogi, and we'll be going through these 25 qualities and describing them in more detail so that we can gain a deeper understanding of the qualities and the very nature of that state of pure consciousness. Now I'll go through the 25 qualities of pure consciousness, and then we'll go through each quality in more detail. Number 1, all possibilities. Number 2, freedom. Number 3, unboundedness. Number 4, self-sufficiency. Number 5, bliss. Number 6, integrating. Number 7, self-referral. Number 8, invincibility. Number 9, perfect balance. Number 10, fully awake within itself. Number 11, total potential of natural law. Number 12, simplicity. Number 13, unmanifest. Number 14, harmonizing. Number 15, infinite correlation. Number 16, infinite dynamism. Number 17, infinite silence. Number 18, pure knowledge. Number 19, infinite organizing power. Number 20, perfect orderliness. 21, infinite creativity. 22, purifying. 23, evolutionary. 24, nourishing. 25, immortality. So now we want to go through these qualities in more detail. All possibilities. Pure consciousness is the source of all the very varied expressions of life in the entire universe. In fact, the founder of quantum field theory compared the basis of the universe to a big mind. And these days, quantum field theory is also speaking about the deepest level of the universe as a state of pure consciousness. All the infinite possibilities of diversity which we see expressed in the entire universe arise from the field of pure consciousness, or the unified field of all the laws of nature, the deepest level of the universe and the deepest level of the human mind. 2, freedom. Pure consciousness is a state of freedom from all limitations. It's a state which is transcendental. It's a state which is beyond time and space. It's a state of complete freedom from all boundaries and all restrictions. Pure consciousness is a state of unboundedness. It's also called the state of unbounded awareness. It's a state of freedom from all boundaries. It's the most expanded state of human awareness. Pure consciousness is a state of unboundedness, unbounded awareness. Self-sufficiency. Pure consciousness is self-sufficient because it creates all expressions of intelligence from within itself. It doesn't need anything outside of itself to create. Every expression of thought is the basis of all expressions of diversity that we observe in the universe, and all expressions of thought arise from within the field of pure consciousness. It's a self-sufficient field of intelligence. Bliss. Pure consciousness is the deepest state of awareness. It's a state of Sat Chit Ananda, eternal awareness of bliss. There's an expression in the Upanishads which says, the whole universe emerges from bliss. It's sustained in bliss, and it dissolves in bliss. Bliss is the most fundamental level of human awareness. And the expansion of happiness is the very purpose of life. And the reason why everyone can experience pure consciousness is because everyone's mind spontaneously moves in the direction of increasing charm, increasing bliss, increasing happiness. That's why it's effortless to experience the state of pure consciousness. Pure consciousness is integrating. It integrates all expressions of diversity in the universe into one unified wholeness. It's the unified state which underlies all diversity. Pure consciousness integrates the inner silent wholeness of life with the outer active aspects of life. Pure consciousness is therefore called an integrating state of awareness. Pure consciousness is self-referral. Pure consciousness reveals itself to itself from within itself. In the state of pure consciousness, there is a completely frictionless flow of self-interaction between the knower, the process of knowing, and the known. It is a self-referral state of consciousness. It only refers to itself from within itself to itself. Pure consciousness is invincible. It is unshakable, immutable, undying, non-changing, and totally stable. Pure consciousness is an invincible state of awareness. Pure consciousness is a state of perfect balance. It reflects the balance between the knower, the process of knowing, and the known. It's a unified structure of knowledge. It's a state of perfect balance. Pure consciousness is fully awake within itself. Pure consciousness knows itself as the inner self. The inner alertness of pure consciousness is a state of complete inner wakefulness. Pure consciousness is awake to itself, within itself. It is fully awake within itself. Pure consciousness is the total potential of natural law. All the laws of nature governing the universe are lively within the field of pure consciousness, in a state of pure potentiality. It is the most universal level of intelligence. The totality of nature's intelligence is lively in the state of pure consciousness. Pure consciousness is a state of simplicity. There are no divisions within the state of pure consciousness. It's a state of oneness. It's a unified level of consciousness. It's also been called the simplest state of human awareness. Pure consciousness is the simplest state of human awareness. Pure consciousness is an unmanifest state of consciousness. It is beyond thought. It is transcendental. It's the innermost core of life, beyond the field of change and beyond the field of manifestations. Pure consciousness is harmonizing. It heals the divisions. It is a frictionless flow of intelligence. All progress in life stems from the inner harmony of pure consciousness. Pure consciousness is a state of infinite correlation. All expressions of diversity reflect the totality of their unified source in pure consciousness. Pure consciousness contains the interrelationship between all expressions of diversity. It is a state of infinite correlation. Pure consciousness is infinite dynamism. Pure consciousness is a state in which it is a state in which consciousness interacts with itself in a state of infinite frequency of self-interaction. There's a lively dynamics of intelligence always interacting with itself, and this self-interacting dynamics of intelligence gives rise to all expressions of diversity in the universe. Pure consciousness is a state of infinite silence. It exists beyond the field of thought. It is the least excited state of human awareness. It is transcendental. It is beyond the field of time and space. It is an infinitely silent state of awareness. Infinitely silent, infinitely peaceful, infinitely one within itself. Pure consciousness is a state of pure knowledge. Pure knowledge is the togetherness of the knower, the process of knowing, and the known. Pure consciousness is a state of pure knowledge. Pure consciousness is a state of infinite organizing power. All expressions of diversity emerge and are sustained and are governed from the level of pure consciousness. Pure consciousness contains infinite organizing power. The whole universe is governed from the level of pure consciousness. Pure consciousness is a state of perfect orderliness. There is no trace of disorder in the state of pure consciousness. There is no entropy. Everything is perfect at this level of least excited state of awareness. In the state of pure consciousness, there is a state of perfect orderliness. Pure consciousness is a state of infinite creativity. All expressions of creativity in the universe, in their immeasurable variety, emerge from pure consciousness. All expressions of creativity have their fountainhead in the state of pure consciousness. All expressions of diversity emerge from pure consciousness. Therefore, it is a state of infinite creativity. Pure consciousness is purifying. The experience of pure consciousness purifies the body and the mind of stress. It removes stress from the physiology. It removes stress from the mind. It removes stresses from the mind-body continuum. Therefore, pure consciousness is the most purifying state of human awareness. Pure consciousness is evolutionary. The experience of pure consciousness gives rise to a progressive development of consciousness. It gives rise to a transformation and to a growth to higher states of consciousness. Pure consciousness is the most evolutionary state of human awareness. Pure consciousness is nourishing. It nourishes every aspect of life. It nourishes individual life, and it nourishes cosmic life. The experience of pure consciousness radiates a nourishing influence into the whole universe. Pure consciousness is a state of immortality. It is the eternal, immortal basis of life itself. It is the non-changing source of change. Pure consciousness is unborn, undying. It is the imperishable wholeness of life. Therefore, pure consciousness is a state of immortality. These are the 25 qualities of pure consciousness. And this is what I wanted to share with you today. If you enjoy this video, please click the subscribe button so that we may share many more aspects in our journey to full self-awareness. Thank you so much for coming, and I look forward to meeting you again very, very soon. Thank you.